Get a large mixing bowl, put in 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. Then get 2 cups of eggnog. Just mix this through. Now get some glazed cherries, cut them up, or if you want them in big chunks, that's fine. I usually put in about 125 to 150 grams. Just mix them through. Oh yeah. Just get a cake tin. I like to use one with a push-up base, just makes it easy to get out. Grease it if you wish. Pour the mixture straight in. Now pop this in the oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. Should only take about 25 to 30 minutes and it will be done. Oh yeah. Alright, that's finished. Alright, now just leave it here to cool a little bit. Then we take it out, let it cool completely, and then we'll get on to the next part where we make the frosting. Just get a bowl, put in 1 cup of icing sugar, confectionery sugar, and add 30 mils or 2 tablespoons of eggnog. Just mix this until you've got a yummy paste. Alright, once your cake has cooled, take it out of the tin, get your topping and spread it over the top wherever you want. Just spread it around. I like to let it go down the sides because it looks extra awesome. Now just sprinkle some nutmeg over the top. Now it's ready to eat. You can also pop it in the fridge if you want this to set on top, but I like it all drizzly.
Simple cooking.